Hello and welcome back to my page. Today I am going to be doing a review on the Hoover Smartwash carpet cleaner. It's really easy to operate, guys. You just go forward for cleaning and back it up to dry it. This clicks out and opens up. It's right back here for you to empty dirty water. I've used it once and the results were amazing, so I wanted to share with you guys. Our next go round. This part up here is where you're gonna actually put your water in, and I like to use lukewarm water, and this just clicks out as well. Everything is just clicked out, put back in. Very, very easy to use, guys. And then on this back part, this is where you're gonna put your solution, and that's pretty much it. I'm gonna get this baby started and show you the results. This is our pre-carpet hallway. Oh my god, y'all, it is such a high traffic area, so I've been trying to stay on top of it and keep this carpet clean, but as you can see, we need some work. So this is the before. Get over here and show you guys the solution that we are using. We've got dogs, so we're using the Neutralize and Defend formula, so stay tuned. All right, she is all plugged in, and so this is the turn on button, and this is the handle release. So I'm gonna release that handle first, click it on. I have made some progress here. The carpets are still really wet, but I think they look a lot better than they did before. One thing I love about this cleaner is that it has a dry only feature, so I'm gonna go back through and just soak up some of this water, and it works really good, y'all. Like, it actually almost dries the carpet. So here we go. The carpets are all washed dry now, so I didn't get it as clean as I would have liked to. I got a few rounds of cleaning this carpet. I've let it get out of control, so we're gonna come back in another 2 weeks. Don't mind that hole there. But we're gonna come back in another 2 weeks and clean it again, but I think this looks pretty good from before. All right, guys, thanks for watching. Let us know if you have any more questions about the Hoover Smartwash. And remember to like, subscribe, comment, all that good stuff. Bye for now.